With 450 employees, we still have a very small family feel, and I think the ownership instills all of that in us, and we in turn, as management and leaders in the organization, really try to make an effort to continue that small family feel type of organization.
We want to define who we are, where we're trying to get to, and then we want to empower people to move in that direction. We want to do what's right in the long run, not necessarily what is the easiest right now.
Working at Rochester Motor Cars, it's definitely more than just getting a paycheck and going home. There's so many opportunities to make a difference in the community. Every month of the year, we're working with a new nonprofit organization, or there's volunteer opportunity hours somewhere. You get to go out and meet people in the community, and it's so much more than just sitting at a desk or selling a car or servicing a car. It really goes deeper than that.
We have so many success stories within the organization for someone starting on an entry level, and now they're a director of service. We have many people that start off in a role that maybe they don't have a lot of experience with, but they see some opportunity in some other areas in the organization. We'll help you get there.
So I started as a finance assistant, and from there I moved my way into the office, and then I eventually became a controller. Some of the support I received not only from my friends and my coworkers, but also from the leaders. They are here to support me, and I'm here to support them as well.
For roughly 10 years, I worked for this same shoe company. From there, I was blessed with the opportunity to start my journey with Rochester Motor Cars at Rochester Toyota. Came to work, didn't know anything from anything, and found out what their mission was, what their journey was. I'm not here to sell a person a car. I'm here to create a relationship with the person across from me. If you want an opportunity to move from where you are today and have a purpose, this is the organization for you. It really is.
If you walked in the Toyota store right now, all but one manager was actually a salesperson at one time in that store. Our average sales staff is probably in the 8 to 10 year range, which is really unheard of in the car industry.
I see a lot more leadership here who are interested in understanding what our employees are trying to get to and finding the right positions that match those people.
We'll develop a career path. We'll give you the opportunity to train, whether that's remotely or go to conferences or whatever that is. We'll give you those opportunities. It only makes sense for us to do the absolute most we can to keep our employee base and to give them the opportunity to grow and develop in the organization.
When you have an opportunity to work in an organization like Rochester Motor Cars that allows you to put your fingerprint on the company and are very thankful for it, you should give it a try.
We are only going to pursue the best for you as an employee. We're only going to pursue the best benefits. We're going to pursue the best opportunities, the best training paths. We're only going to pursue the things that make you want to be here at Rochester Motor Cars.